Allow me to introduce you to the Vivor air cushion machine, a truly remarkable solution for all your packaging and protective cushioning needs. But before we delve into its incredible features, let's kick things off with a simple step-by-step guide. First, take a moment to locate the power switch discreetly placed at the back of the machine. Once you've found it, flip that switch on, and then exercise a bit of patience. You'll want to give the air cushion machine a good 5 minutes to heat up. This heating process is absolutely vital for ensuring optimal performance, as it ensures that the film is properly sealed and inflated. Once the 5-minute mark passes, you're literally just one button away from creating a continuous stream of those protective cushions. All you have to do is press the start button, and like magic, the machine springs to life. It takes those rolls of specially designed film and masterfully transforms them into a chain of air-filled cushions. It's that straightforward. Now let's delve into the countless advantages this air cushion machine brings to the world of packaging. Those air-filled cushions are perfect for shielding fragile items during shipping. By minimizing the risk of damage, they assure your products arrive unharmed and intact. This machine is an absolute must-have for e-commerce businesses and anyone who values the peace of mind that comes with safe, secure, and highly efficient packaging. So why stress over packaging when you can let this air cushion machine handle it with effortless finesse? It's time to seize the opportunity and elevate your packaging game by placing an order for yours today.